Watson Lake, Prescott, Arizona. It's very beautiful. Ooh. Hi, babe. It's beautiful. That way in the center. I don't know how to go there. Difficult. My husband in there. Her husband. I'm in the tub. In the tub. La 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 la. Very beautiful. Yay.
Very beautiful.
Nice water. Nice. Lalaki ng bato, oh. Lalaki ng bato. Malalaki ng bato. I like. You like it?
Yeah, it's very nice.
Watson Lake. Watson Lake. Yang asawa ko nandun. With him yellow. I have yellow dress. Oh, I have yellow bag. Oh, la 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 la. Only that I know how to sing. La 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 la. Ang mga ibon nandoon, mga ibon. Ang laki, gusto kong maligo. Sarap-sarap maligo dito. You want to come here? Come over. You know how to come here? Be careful. Put to the water.